Hi girls, so today this video is all about us for girls. So I know boys are going to watch this video, so if you're watching then please share this video with your girls, like with your wife, girlfriend or your friends, sisters. Please do share it because it's a very helpful video for all the girls out there. So in today's video, I'll share all the basic hygiene tips that I personally follow. So I'm going to share my personal things which I follow in my life. So please do watch it. It's a very helpful video for all the girls. Let's get into the video. So first thing is face cleansing. Please wash your face before sleeping and use a face wash twice a day, at least twice a day. Please do it. Even if your skin is oily or dry, whatever skin type you have, please wash your face twice a day, and do not forget to wash your face before sleeping. So I use these, basic face wash. This is from Rice Water Bright from the brand Face Shop. Sometimes I use this, or sometimes I use this very basic face wash. It's from Pond's. It's very affordable. So I use both these products. Sometimes this alternatively. But whatever suits your skin, please do use it. I'm not recommending this like use this only or use this only, but please wash your face. Girls who don't wear makeup, still you need to wash your face because you go out, maybe in college, wherever you go. So at least before sleeping, please remove all your makeup or remove the kajal, lipstick, whatever you are wearing. Even if not wearing, please do use a face wash because it can create acne on your face, and no girl want acne, no girl want pimples. So this is a very important tip. I know it's very basic, बहुत basic tip है, but still so many girls don't follow this basic tip because it's good for hygiene. First of all, it's good for your face because once you clean it, your skin breathe, so your skin needs breathing. In the night time, your skin will breathe properly without any product on it. So nowadays I'm loving this face wash a lot. It's from Pond's. बहुत ही affordable. It's very affordable. It's called Sun Miracle with niacinamide plus vitamin C. So I use this on my hands also for tanning because it claims de-tan face wash and it's a very great face wash. अगर आपने try नहीं किया, please do try it. This is not a sponsored video, guys. It's completely non-sponsored video. These are the things I personally use. So this is my current favorite. Also, this tip was not only for girls, for boys also, because I know boys do a lot of bike riding. They always, love to ride bikes and love to ride two-wheelers and love to roam around. And when they come back home, they just go directly sleeping. So this is not a good idea. Even for boys, if you're watching, I know you're watching, so please do not forget to wash your face with a proper face wash before sleeping. So the next thing is dental hygiene. Dental hygiene is really important. A lot of people ignore dental hygiene. It's very basic, nothing fancy. Just like I said in the first tip, that wash your face twice. Please do not forget to brush your teeth before sleeping also. So I use this toothpaste. Currently I'm using this and I love this. Please try out electric toothbrushes. I'm using this, you can see. So sometimes I use the regular toothbrush also, but mostly I use this brush, which is this. I don't know what brand it is. So moving on to the next thing, again very basic thing. Girls, please carry a pack of tissue in your purse, in your handbag, because I always carry a pack of tissue in my bag. Always. I have so many handbags and मेरे हर handbag में मैंने एक tissue का pack रख दिया है. I keep changing my handbags, so I always carry tissues because sometimes you go in the public washrooms in the malls and sometimes they don't have toilet rollers, so it comes very handy. And for other things also, to wipe your hands if you're eating something in a car or on the street and you don't have water to wash your hands, so please always carry this. So the next thing is about panty liners. Panty liners are very important for your hygiene. Girls, please listen to this. If you don't know what this is, then please Google it or search on YouTube because this is very important. please carry panty liners in your handbag every time. I carry and I use this on my day-to-day purpose whenever I go out and I don't feel, good down there. So I use panty liners. These are very big, you can see, but I love that Whisper ones. So these are very thin. You won't even feel that you're wearing panty liners. So these are for, last day of your periods, when the periods are about to go, but you have little bit of, spotting. So this is very helpful for spotting. Also, not just for last days of periods, this comes very helpful for your any kind of discharge. If you're having, then please use panty liners. And if you can't afford panty liners, first of all, these are very affordable. Still, if you cannot afford, you're not earning and you don't have that much money to spend on panty liners every month, then at least please try to change your panties twice a day. Again, twice a day. Do not wear single panty for whole day. Girls will think like, we are in the office, we cannot change. Yes, you can. Once you go to the office, come back to the home, please change your panty, because it's really important for your vaginal hygiene also. We always take care of our face, our skin, our hair, but so many girls forget about vaginal hygiene also. So please, if you cannot use panty liners, I would really recommend and suggest invest your money in panty liners. They are very helpful for your hygiene. It makes you feel fresh down there. So please do try it and let me know. So the next thing is about menstruation hygiene. Yes, menstruation hygiene is also very important. I have seen so many girls in the girls' washroom. They just throw their used pads, without covering in the dustbin. And it's not really good for the environment and for other girls too, because nobody wants to see your open pads in the dustbins. So what I do is I always carry a polythene, black polythene, like this in my handbag. I carry 4 to 5 of polythenes in my handbag. I always carry these, so it comes very handy to throw your used pads in the dustbins wherever you go. Even if there is no dustbin and it's just a open dustbin and it doesn't have any cover, so you don't want to show your personal things to others. There are so many times when you don't even have a proper girls washroom. You have to use only one washroom. Like boys and girls have one washrooms in so many restaurants and in so many McDonald's also. So I think this comes very helpful, very handy. Just put the used pad in this and tie it up and throw it in the dustbin. So yeah, girls, please carry some kind of at least polythenes in your bags. Girls who don't want to carry polythenes, so you can use these pads. These are from Nua Ultra Safe sanitary pads. I love these pads. These are the best sanitary pads. I'm not promoting this brand, but this is how they come handy. Wait, I'll show you. So this is how it looks. This comes in so many. This is for heavy flow and this comes like this. Wait, I'll show you. So this is how it is. You open this pad and remove the new one, and this is the envelope for your used pad. Put your used pad in this like this, and there is a strip. You can see there is a sticker. Just remove this, close this, and there you go. Throw it in your dustbin. So this is very decent. It's very safe. So if you don't have any polythene in your bag, this is the best pad, and this pad is the softest pad in the world. Trust me, it doesn't even make you feel irritated, or you can't even feel that you're wearing this pad. So yes, girls, try this pad if you haven't. This is from Nua. You can use the regular pads also, like from Whisper or Sophie, but please do not forget to carry the polythene with these kind of pads, because you need to have some kind of cover for your used pads. So please, girls, don't throw your pads in the dustbin openly. Level up your hygiene game with these kind of tips. So coming to my personal thing, I don't like to use pads nowadays, but since few years I have stopped using pads. Like मैं बहुत rarely pads use करती हूँ. So instead of pads, what I use is this. This is tampons from the brand Sirona, and these are the best thing in the world. I know a lot of girls use menstrual cup also, but I'm scared to use menstrual cups. I haven't used or I haven't tried menstrual cups yet, maybe in future, but currently I am obsessed with tampons. Yes girls, I know a lot of girls, a lot of women don't know about tampons. So how this works, I'll tell you. See, this is how keep my tampons in the box. So these are the new ones I ordered recently. So this is how they come. See, so this is how they comes in the packaging. This is how it looks. So these are for heavy flow and these small ones are for regular flow, like, you know, for your first day or your last days. For regular flow we have regular tampons, and for heavy flow we have heavy flow tampons. They have a lot of varieties, please try it. So what you have to do is, you can see here they have mentioned all the things, you know, how to use these tampons once you order it, or before ordering it please सर्च कर लो गूगल पे, प्लीज़ यूट्यूब पे एक बार देख लेना वीडियोस के टैम्पॉन्स कैसे यूज़ करते हैं. सो यू कैन सी दे हैव रिटन लाइक they have applicator. You don't have to put your fingers directly in your vagina, so they come with applicator. I don't use tampons without applicator. Girls please, market में without applicator भी tampons मिलते हैं जो कि बहुत cheap होते हैं, but I would recommend with applicator. They are little expensive, but please don't use without applicators. So they come with applicators like this. You can see the picture. So what you have to do, just put the applicator into your vulva, into your vagina. I don't know the exact words, but please do understand this. So you just have to put this inside in your vagina and you know, press the button just like injection. Just press the button and you will hear the sound like click sound. Then you will know कि tampon insert हो गया है properly. So remove the applicator, throw it in the dustbin with, you know, covered polythene, and you are done. So for 6 to 7 hours you don't have to look down. There's no leakage, there is no, like, there will be a leakage, I won't lie. So for leakage please wear panty liners too. I don't wear these panty liners when I use tampons. I wear those whisper ones जो पर्पल कलर का जो बॉक्स आता है. करंटली आई डोंट हैव दैट, सो आई कांट शो यू, बट प्लीज गूगल इट इफ यू डोंट नो. सो व्हाट आई यूज, जो छोटा वाला जो आता है पैंटी लाइनर, आई यूज दैट ऑन माई पैंटीज व्हेन आई वेयर माई टैम्पॉन. गर्ल्स अगर टैम्पॉन्स ट्राई नहीं किया है प्लीज ट्राई करो, बहुत बेस्ट चीज है. ऑल्सो गर्ल्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टिप विच आई पर्सनली फॉलो, आई ऑलवेज कैरी एक्स्ट्रा पैंटी in my handbag. Carry a panty which is covered in any kind of polythene or pouch, or you know, whatever you can do, but please carry extra panty because you don't know when will you need it, because sometimes you get the periods very suddenly, don't know the date, so this comes very handy. So you can change your panty immediately and you can move on to your day. Next tip is also very basic and which I personally follow, but this is something important, that carry 2 handkerchiefs in your handbags. Please girls, don't use that one handkerchief on your face and for your hands. So this is very unhygienic, because जब आप अपने हैंड्स वॉश करते हो और उसी हैंकरचीफ से, उसी नैपकिन से हाथ पोंछ लेते हो, और वही नैपकिन अगेन आप अपने फेस के लिए यूज़ करते हो, इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर योर स्किन. सो वॉट आई डू इज़, आई यूजुअली कैरी 2 napkins in my handbag, one for the, you know, washing my hands and, you know, to wipe my hands, and another for my face, my skin, or sometimes if I have runny nose, so I don't want to use that wipe wala handkerchief on my face. So please carry 2 handkerchiefs in your handbag. This is very basic and hygienic, important tip. Next thing I do is I always carry a scarf with me, or if not scarf then I'll carry a jacket. Usually I carry jackets, not scarf. So what you can do is just put one scarf in your handbag, or carry a, you know, this is what I usually carry, or I have denim jackets. I have a lot of jackets, by the way. I need a jacket wherever I go, even if it's summers or rainy season. No matter what season it is, girls, always carry a jacket. I prefer jackets over scarf, so I keep switching my jackets or scarves. But this is for what, you know, if suddenly you have a leakage situation down there, so scarf do comes handy. You can wrap your scarves on your waist, or you know, or your jacket. So this is very important for girls. Always, please always carry these things with you. Now coming back to the face, So if you get any acne or pimples on your face, whatever type of acne you have, even if it's hormonal or digestive acne or whiteheads, so please do not touch your hands or fingers. So what you can do is to avoid touching directly on your acne when you go out, when you are in the office or in the college. Please use acne patches. I use these acne patch. These are from brand Spot Patch Original. You can find it online on Amazon. So they have 42 patches in this box. Right now it's almost finished. मैंने पूरा almost use कर लिया. ऐसे दो आते हैं in this box and you can see it's almost finished. I don't know if you can see it or not. So they have 3 different sizes. If you have a big acne, so they have big one. If you have medium, so they have medium. If you have smaller, so what this patch can do is it can hide your acne too, and it can heal your acne overnight or in 6 to 7 hours. So aapko, please do not pop your pimples, girls. I know we all have these habits, but please do not touch your acne. Just use these instead. So if you don't know about acne patches, please again Google it or search कर लो YouTube पे. You will know what these are. So these can heal your pimples without touching it. Try these, or you get a lot of different brands also. If not this, you can use any brand you want to use. So the next basic hygiene tip is feeling fresh and smelling good. I love smelling good. I love smelling fresh. So I always apply perfumes or deodorants on my underarms. Sorry to say, but I have seen a lot of girls in the trial rooms or walking around me, and I don't feel good, because I think being a girl, you should be like proper clean, proper hygiene, and take care of your body, take care of yourself. I have seen a lot of girls who are like not even aware of their body odor. I don't have this problem, but still I love smelling fresh. So what I do is I always carry a deodorant in my handbag. If I don't carry it, I'll just wear it and go out. So I have these 3 deodorants. You can see this one is from Dove Even Tone, and this is also from Dove Go Fresh. This is in the roll-on form. If you don't know, this is how just apply it on your underarms. And this is, I think it's almost finished. This is like a soap bar. You can see it's almost finished. So this is like a soap bar. I love this over this. I don't like roll-ons one. I love this, Dove bar. So this keeps you fresh for, it has written 48 hours, but yes, I think 6 to 7 hours this keeps you fresh. So the third one is this. It's from Chemist at Play. Currently I'm using this. This is in Aqua fragrance. So this has 5% AHA. I don't know what AHA is, but I know it's very important for your underarms. So girls, please try deodorants. Please carry deodorants in your bags, because I'm not that kind of girl के जो लड़कों की तरह रहती है, like tomboys. They don't care about themselves, like their body or face or skin. I'm not that kind of girl. I'm very girly girl. So I love using all the important and basic hygiene things for myself. So this is the very important tip. As I said, I love smelling fresh. So I use shower gels or body wash in my shower. So this is what I'm currently using. It's from Dove. It's called Revitalizing Body Wash 24-hour Moisturized Skin. This is in the flavor peach and vitamin C. So it's a very huge bottle. You can order it online. I always order these kind of things online. So I ordered this from Nykaa, I guess, or Amazon. I don't know. But girls, please use any kind of body shower or body gel on your skin. Please don't live your lives like boys. Even I'm saying boys ko bhi, even I'm saying this to boys also, please use shower gels when you go for a shower. So this is the one I'm using currently. Next thing is body exfoliating. I use this. This is again from Dove. I love Dove. I don't know why. Exfoliating body polish, pomegranate seeds and shea butter. It smells like, pretty, like you are in the garden. I can't tell you the smell, of course, but see, this is how, I can't just ruin, but this is how it is. You almost finished. It's almost finished, guys. I use this twice a week. So it has pomegranate and shea butter. जो pomegranate के seeds होते हैं वो इसमें है. So what I do is I apply it on my hands, on my whole body, and exfoliate my skin and clean my body properly, and it smells very good. It smells like flowery garden and fruity garden, so it's very amazing. We have a lot of layers on our skin, so it just cleanse your skin, it just cleanse your body very deeply. So exfoliating body polishes are very important. So girls, if you cannot afford body polishes or body exfoliators, then what you can do is, I have one more tip for you. So what you can do is just take a spoon of gram flour and rice flour, chawal ka atta and besan, mix it in the bowl and wet your skin, apply it on your body, scrub it off, and good to go. It's not expensive. We all have besan and chawal ka atta at our homes, in our kitchens. You can use this homemade exfoliator instead of this if you cannot use this. So market में बहुत सारे body polishes हैं, I guess. So जो भी आपको comfortable लगता है, whatever suits your pocket, please do try it. So coming to the hair part, I don't know कितने लोग हैं जो अपने scalp का भी ध्यान रखते हैं. Yes, a lot of girls and boys take care of their hair, but they always ignore their scalp issues. I have really dry scalp, so this is only for people who have dry scalp. This is for girls and boys both. So what I use is, this is recommended from my doctor, so please ask your doctor before using any kind of, but it's not harmful. So this is from Cipla. It's called Sebo Wash shampoo, and this is only for scalp. Please don't use it on your hair. Take some shampoo on your hand and apply it on your scalp only. Don't apply it on your hair again. Please apply it on your scalp only if you have dry scalp, and you don't have to use this shampoo every day. This is just for twice a week if you have a lot of dry scalp issues. So I don't have any dandruff issues, but I have dry skin issues. Like even my face, even my hands have very dry skin. So for my scalp, I take care of my scalp with this shampoo. Girls who have dry ends, I don't have dry ends, but sometimes I want that shine in my hair, so I use this, again, Dove. I use this intense damage repair hair mask. So girls, if you have dry ends, please use this, again, not every day, twice a week or once a week. It gives you a soft and shiny look in your hair, and it keeps your hair very soft. For facial hair, I use this trimmer. This is from the brand, I think, Bombay Shaving. I don't know what brand it is, but it comes with this brush. You can clean the machine like this with this chotu sa brush. So what I do is just, girls, we all have facial hair. Just put the battery in it and turn it on, and just remove all the extra hair you have on your face, or you can thread your eyebrows with this. I don't thread my eyebrows with this, like I don't remove the eyebrow hair with this, but I use it on my face if I have any extra hair. So yes girls, to remove your facial hair, use these kind of face trimmers. Please don't use those blades, the long blades that comes for your facial hair. Please don't use, they are very risky, they can cut your skin. So instead of that, this is a very safe and very best thing to remove the facial hair. So use this, try this if you haven't. Okay, so these were the all basic hygiene tips which I personally follow. So I thought, why should I not share with you girls also? If any boy is watching, please share this video with your girls, your sisters or girlfriend and wife, because it's very helpful for all the girls. Girls, if you have any kind of doubt or any questions, please comment down below. I'll answer your questions. Please comment. Feel free to ask me any kind of tips or any kind of girly questions if you want to know. Or if you don't want to comment down, then please DM me on my Instagram, so I'll reply you there. Girls, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram also. So see you in the next video.